beautiful people, welcome back to my channel. Today I'll be taking you through my full wash day routine from this matted hair all the way to soft, healthy hair. I'll be preparing, shampooing, deep conditioning, and sharing my honest thoughts on the products I've been using lately. So the first thing I do is to prepare, especially when my hair is this tangled. So I use this DIY mix. I mix oil with Dove conditioner. I love it because it gives my hair that needed sleep and moisture that it needs. And preparing just helps soften the knots, and also the it also helps reduce breakage. So I go right into it with that, and then I just use my hand to first detangle it, and then I use the comb I'm using right here to comb it gently so that it doesn't hurt my scalp. So that's just what I do, and I just work my way into the hair so that it absorbs the products fully, and that helps my hair to be very soft, and also it helps the comb to just glide through it smoothly. So that's just what I do to make sure it goes from the tangled style or the tangled hair to make sure it's being detangled so I can prepare it for shampooing. So just to be rest assured, if your hair gets matted like mine, don't rush, just take your time, walk in sections, and be gentle with it. I was laughing here because I was seeing a Nigerian movie and it was just so funny. It was really funny. So, yeah, that's why I was just laughing all through. And then don't forget your edges. After doing that, I make sure that I also apply the DIY product that I've mixed together. I make sure I apply it to my edges so that it's not left out. So I just apply that to my edges and use the comb to just swap everything up. Soup, soup, soup. Yep. So next right up is me deep conditioning it. So I place the shower cap on my head, and then I use this. I've been using this for a while. Most times I use it after washing my hair with the shampoo, and then I just use it to deep condition. But this particular day I decided to just apply because my hair was matted. I left my hair unattended to for over a month because it was on in a protective style, and I was just been wearing wig all through the month. I barely moisturize it for the whole month. I only like put the water on my head, and then I just do not apply oil or anything to it. Sometimes for 4 days straight, and so it got matted like this. So I needed to deep condition it. Don't mind me, I was just listening to a song and dancing. Every Day by Moses Bliss feat Victor Thompson. I stand fit and a complete. Enemies no fit compete, cause we dey move by the spirit. So anywhere where you see me, make you know, say the blessings they overflow. Anywhere I go let them know. I go let them know. Now these blessings they see, I give God all the glory. Now in way they show me mercy, more than I can imagine. Oh my God, no fit tire for this your love. Next up is shampoo. I'm using this product by Sadoer. It's the dandruff coconut oil shampoo. Coming from someone that used to suffer from dandruff where my hair was relaxed, I would say since I started this natural hair journey, it's just been all smooth. And I think that's one good thing I've got to love about having a natural hair now. This is not something that I have to worry about. Yeah. And at this point, you can say I'm basically obsessed with Sadoer's products. I use their products ranging from shampoo to shower gel, face mask, face wash, face cream, lip balm, just to name it. Their products are just so good. And what I loved about this shampoo is that it smells nice. It's also made with 100% natural actives. It lathers so well. It has no paraben, alcohol, or mineral oil, which can be very bad for your hair. Also, it's very gentle on your scalp. So be rest assured that when you're using this product, you have the most relaxed wash day. All right. So even after preparing, I still do not scrub my hair too hard. I do not scrub my scalp too hard. I just gently massage my scalp while washing it. I also make use of this scalp massager, and I can say it's safe to say that this is my favorite part of wash day. Absolutely. So I just let the water do the work like that, and there you have it. Also, I wash my hair twice. The first time, I make sure that the hair strands are washed, and also the second time I go in with the shampoo, I focus more on the scalp, which is what you're seeing right here. Then the next thing I do, which I didn't show right here, is to deep condition my hair. I use the Kormesic the conditioner. It's their rosemary mint strengthening conditioner. It's infused with biotin. It also encourages longer and healthier hair. And I just like the mint that's inside because it gives this sensation when you're about to round off with everything. So that's just all there is about my wash day routine, aside from the other one that I use some herbs and stuff. But yeah, that's basically everything that I do. And until the next time, I'll see you. And please don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave your comments. I'll see you. Bye.